Hey everyone, GratuiTous here. In this course, you guys are going to learn how to upload your music for online distribution. So if you want to get your music on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, any of these online streaming platforms, I'll show you how to do that. So what's going on is I have just finished my Beat Tapes by GratuiTous Volume 10, and now is the perfect time to share with you how I actually upload my music to these online streaming platforms. I'll be talking to you about, really preparing your music, such as you can see, I have created a track list. I'll talk to you about artwork and everything that you need to be thinking of before you get your music out there for release. So again, if you look here, you can see I have released a lot of beat tapes over my years. I'm very organized, and I want to share with you how to get organized and how to release your music online. Okay, so let's get into the course.